Hi friends, welcome to Groovy Plants Ranch. Today I am going to show you a little bit about how to make a succulent or cactus bowl combo. We have in front of us right here one of Jared's personal collection succulent and cactus planters. It has been on the property for several years. There's a lot of different plants in it and we keep adding more throughout the years. We get asked questions about this a lot, so I figured we might as well show you how to make one of your very own. I have pre-selected some of my favorite succulents, cacti, we even have an agave here that we are going to add into our combo bowl. There are also lots of several options. There's no wrong or right way to do this. Basically, whichever plants speak to you, go ahead and throw them in as long as they have the same sunlight and watering care. So let's get started. Whenever you have your planter selected, go ahead and put a nice layer of soil at the bottom to give it a nice base. We are using our cactus and succulent soil True Grit. We've made it a little bit more grittier with that extra perlite and pumice in that soil. I always like to start kind of on the edges and then work my way to the side. So we're going to start with one of our crassulas. It is a variegated moneymaker, one of our groovy succulents. So you'll just take it out of the pot, go ahead and plop it in. You're going to continue adding in more soil just to make sure that it stays in its place and doesn't flop over. Then we're going to go ahead and add in an echeveria, nice pops of pink and kind of purple. We are now going to move into adding in more of a spiller plant. So this will give it some dramatic flow to the end of the pot. We have our ruby necklaces. Put that in and it will spill and also fill in. This is going to be a pot that will be able to be turned around so that it'll have some character on every single side. We are going to add in our centerpiece. So we have an agave here, but we'll make sure that gets in the center. I'm going to go in and add some more color. We have an Aeonium. There are a few different colors of these we have in our groovy succulents as well. Get that added in. We are going to add in another spiller as well. This is a Sedum Tokyo Sun. We get asked about this a lot. This is a great indoor succulent. You can add it to any planter to give it that dramatic neon yellow color variation. Looks really nice against purples and pinks too. And then for our last piece, this one is a little bit pokey, so I will be using my tongs for this. But we got a flowering cactus. So the tongs are not hurting the cacti at all. Make sure everything is packed in nice. So, like we mentioned, you can choose anything you want to put in these from our mercantile house. We did bring out a few more items from our Hendrix collection, but if you want to make your very own, we can help you do that here anytime, or you can go ahead and experiment yourself. If you are a little afraid of getting dirty, we have a large selection, so there's already some that are pre-made for you with boats and bowls. So yeah, we can't wait to see you this weekend.